Would you believe me if I told you this background is fake, and this is the original background? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your video background with CapCut. This is great, Filippo, and if you're new here, please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button, and also like this video. Let's get started.
The app we'll be using for this is CapCut, so we will launch the app. Then we will create a new project over here. So here we are going to select our background and the video. The video is over here. So we will select the video. Then we will select the background as well. Then we click on add. After adding the video and the background, CapCut works on the principle of layers. So you will send the video to the second layer. So we will click on the video, then we will scroll left over here. Then we will click on overlay. You click on overlay to send the video to the second track. Okay, so the video is on the second track. Then you expand the background so that it fits the length of the video. Exactly here. Okay. So we will select the video again. You click on it. Then we will scroll through the icons down here. Then we will click on remove background. That's remove BG over here. Okay, so there are three ways you can remove the background of video. The first one is auto renewal, on which it is done automatically. Then the second one is custom remover. This one you will select, then you erase the unwanted parts of the video. And the last one is chroma key. This one works with plain backgrounds. So we will learn about that one later. For the purpose of this video, you'll be using auto remover. So we will click on auto remover. And the background of the video will be removed automatically. After removing the background, you will click on this to apply the settings. Now our background have been removed. So you will just add a little brightness to our video. Then we will move through the icons to the left. Then we will click on adjust. Then we will click on brightness. Then we will adjust it a little bit to add a little brightness to our video. So it's okay for now. Okay, let's see how the video looks like.
Would you believe me if I told you this background is fake, and this is the original background? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your video background with CapCut.
Okay, so the background of the video have been removed successfully. So let's export the video. For that one, we will click here. Then we will wait for some few seconds. Okay, so it's done. Let's check the video out.
Would you believe me if I told you this background is fake, and this is the original background? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your video background with CapCut.
If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Thank you for watching.